For Dynamind's artificial intelligence to work effectively, you need to create cohorts. In this video, I'll explain how simple it is to create cohort after you log in as a mentor. So first, go to menu item, My Cohort. There you will see plus sign here. Click on this. Now you have to enter the cohort name, put the grade, school name and the location, describe, go down, upload an image, whichever is good for you, and then you may make this cohort public or private. So I make it public, anybody can see this. Now student fee, I'm making it 0. To enter cohort, nobody has to pay anything, and I'm also making 0 the fee for DynaGPT usage. I come down and I choose grade 8, and then I go to the next step to add team members. The cohort is created, and the best way to add team members is by clicking on share option, copy link, and then you share this link, which is explained in different video. Now when you go to cohort, you will see the cohort already created. One mentor, which is you, is here, and there are 0 mentees right now, but you can bring these mentees or mentors by sharing.